technologies make lousy parachutes.
All right. Welcome to the Lone Wolf Garage. And yes, we are actually in the Lone Wolf Garage right now. And here's my girl Bonnie Bella Dinah, 2012 Harley Davidson FLD Dinah Switchback. And right now we are going to be doing some maintenance that a lot of people often overlook. And what is that? Well, that is our spark plug cables, or spark plug wires, or whatever you choose to call them. A lot of people kind of just let these go and never really look at them. But I believe the maintenance for these is about 15,000 miles. And as you can see, I have some special ones on here. These are not OEM. These are actually ones that I made about 15,000 miles ago when I first got the bike. And I'm starting to see some wear and tear on them, specifically in the casing on the outside is starting to crack. The color is basically shot. And there are actually some spots where it's worn through from vibration. So this is something that is very easy to do, but gets overlooked. You should really check these, make sure that there's no wear spots, that they're not brittle. If you have the bike running and you touch one and you get shocked, yeah, definitely needs to be replaced. That is something that can happen, and it has happened to me. I believe that these guys are like $6 each. So for the Dynas, you get a short one and you get a long one. There is the option for an upgraded Screaming Eagle one that comes in different colors. They come in red, orange, yellow, black. They are 10 millimeters instead of the 8 millimeters. And from everything I've read, you really don't get any performance upgrade in them. What you get is a little bit more shielding if you have a bunch of electronics on your bike. So if you're running like, a road glide with every single piece of electronics, then yeah, you might want to actually go with the upgraded wires. But if you have a new M8, you need 4 wires, not just 2. So remember that. And you cannot get away with just replacing 2 with the upgraded wires that are visible. You would have to actually upgrade all 4 for it to actually run correctly, because the wires are a little bit different. There's more bandwidth on them. More bandwidth on them. So we're gonna pop the old ones off, pop the new ones on. Look at that beautiful new rubber. Look at it. When you're at Harley, you can actually pick up new ones of these if you want, because sometimes these ends get all broken and garbagey and they're really kind of useless. They technically might be a one-use item, but this one came out pretty decently and I'm just gonna reuse it. I have a bag of them somewhere. I just don't want to go hunting for it. So in the end, it's a pretty easy bit of maintenance. It's just far too often overlooked. And you really should pay attention to this if you're putting a lot of miles on, or have had them on there for many years, especially if it's been more than 3. If it's more than 3, the rubber on those are garbage. They're done, they're toast. Replace them. Heat, electricity breaks it down. Replace them. So I'll give you another shot of this guy. So got a wear mark here. All this stuff is brittle and garbagey. The boots aren't so bad, but so it's like $12 every 15,000 miles or so, or every 3 years. And honestly, it's a cheap investment, because if they do go bad and you lose spark because of those and you're out on a ride, it's really gonna kill your day, and you're gonna kick yourself for not spending $12 just to, keep up on that. So if you like that one, give it a big old thumbs up. If you don't, keep on trucking. And yeah, I'd love to hear down in the comments below any other, maintenance items that people might overlook that you might want to see. And if you have not subscribed, you should do that. It is free.